In this chapter, we're going to talk about how to open a drawer and assign cashiers to a drawer. Something you will do most likely every day or at least a few times a week if you're doing the right job. So let's take a look at how we do that. If we have the right permissions, again, under the accounting module, we'll see a tile labeled open and close cashier. Once I click that, I'm going to land on a blank page. Now, once you've set up stations, you'll see different list of stations in your dropdown. In this case, I want to open my station. So I can simply do that. Select it, click open station. And what this is going to do is to ask me to start with a starting balance account. Most companies who have retail situations have cash drawers. The cash comes in and out of the safe each night, gets put into the drawer to start with, and the balance finishes out. Eventually, that's how you balance. So in this case, let's just say we're going to start our day with $200. I could enter that in multiple denominations, which would be normal for the most of you. For this sake, I'm going to make it easy for rounding. So my drawer has $200 in it. I click save, and now this drawer is officially open. Now, if I want to decide who can actually cashier to this drawer when they're logged in and in which department, I can come over here and click the assign button. When I do that, I'm going to see a list of users in my store. I can type a user's name and see, in this case, I didn't have Justin. Let me see if we have Quinn. There's Quinn, and I can decide what they have access to. In this case, both the twin Quins that we have in here have access to this drawer, whether it be parts, service, or sales. If I only wanted them to make sure they had access to this drawer from the parts department, as you saw, I can uncheck those. And now these users will only be able to sell to this drawer in the parts department. So you can just configure everything the way you need to. Once you do that, hit save, and your drawer is officially open to the day, and you have cashiers assigned that you'll need.